So you probably can't see what's going on here, but I'm standing in the middle of this courtyard at the top floor of the art department, and there's trees all around the outside of the courtyard because they grow up like through this cool bridge hole thingy doodle here going on, and they're just covered in all these little birds, and they're all just, you can probably hear them, I hope, but they are so loud. And they're these tiny little birds. They're so cute, and they have these little red things on their head, and it's just so awesome. And they're like flying everywhere, like all around me. And I'm like in the middle of this huge, it's like a huge cloud basically. They're all in these trees back here. I just think it's so cool, and I stepped out of the studio to use the restroom, and like, just like birds everywhere. So cool. Hawaii's distracting. I don't know how I'm supposed to get any work done here. Okay.